So the first thing is to make sure that you really are donating quality goods. Please don't donate things that are broken or damaged, things that can't be used, and please don't use the donation centers to throw things out. I think that most people that I've met and most people that I work with are pretty clear that this is a general guiding principle. And unfortunately, it means that there's more items in landfill, and with any kind of luck, you'll be able to identify things going into recycling rather than either into landfill. But it's really important, and especially when the restrictions of social distancing come off, that the things that go to donation are really items of value that can in fact get recirculated into society, and that will be helpful to somebody and have a life outside your front door. So that's number one. Number two, a little closer to home for you, is to acknowledge that you have already made the decision that these items no longer have a life in your home and are going to have a life outside your front door. So it's really important that you separate them from, first of all, the area that they were sorted, and secondly, from the area that they previously lived. So whether you are bagging them or boxing them or whatever it is, you may not have a garage. You may live in a condo or an apartment, so you may not have a storage area that you can move them to. You may have a corner of your apartment where you're going to bag or box the items and physically separate them from where they were before, so that there isn't a tendency to say, well, I'll just put them back on the shelf because I don't have any place to take them. You've made the decision. Good for you. Well done. Once you've made that decision, stick with it, believe in yourself, honor the decision making that you're making, and separate those things from what is remaining in your life and what does have a future in your home going forward. So if you can move them into a garage safely and keep them moisture free and dust free, terrific. If you can't, isolate them in your home in some fashion so that you remind yourself, these are no longer a part of my future. These are going to go to a life outside of my front door and a future with somebody else. So I hope that's helpful, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care and stay safe. Bye now.